Keep my structure really simple on Facebook. Like I have like my dynamic creative test going on. I have some retargeting campaigns, but a lot of my attention is creative rotation through prospecting.
Why don't we pivot towards creatives? Because I think that is where you really have shown over the last little while. And why don't you just kind of take me through your thought process and the amount of time that you spend on creatives versus ad buying now, thanks to CBO? Like, how do you approach your clients in that sense?
Absolutely. I mean, it's definitely the most important component along with like landing page and offer. Like that's a lot of what creates success. But from what you can actually do on the Facebook side, it all comes down to creative testing. So like I said, I keep my structure really simple on Facebook. Like I have like my dynamic creative test going on. I have some retargeting campaigns, but a lot of my attention is creative rotation through prospecting. So how can we test different messaging strategies, different ad formats, whether it's carousels, IG stories, long form video, short form video, especially for these brands that are spending like $10,000 a day.
Hmm.
Creative fatigue happens very fast, and each creative is going to unlock a different portion of the broad audience. So
Right.
that's why it's really important to be constantly testing these new messaging strategies to try to unlock more audiences. So I would say it's like 99.9999% of my attention. And then the other 1% is just like quickly building out the ads and then reporting on them. So
So when you launch a new client, how many creatives are you launching with? How many different formats, and each day, how many new creatives are you launching?
yeah, so when I launch a new client, we me and my designer, we try to do like like a big toolkit, we call it, of creatives. So we'll test like one of each different type. So we'll test like an IG story, a few different versions, a few like GIFs, stills, lifestyle videos, product on
Hmm.
white. So we try to like cover our bases for like PR, customer reviews, UGC. So
Hmm.
there's probably like 10 key ad types that we like to test when we first start out with clients.